Bro, check out these buys and this deck screener. Right now, those who want Memecoins using a new method are making huge money. Today, I'll tell you about this fresh method of launching Memecoins on Solana. Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to create and start trading your own meme coin on Solana using a new profitable method. People will trade your token even without marketing. These will be organic purchases. You only need to create a meme coin. Of course, only for educational purposes. This is not a call to action. This is a new method that has appeared recently. I do not know how long it will be profitable, but now it works and will work in the near future. Now I will show you how devs create meme coins using a new, so to speak, golden launch method and earn thousands of dollars a day. We will need this site. I will leave a link to this site in the description of this video. This site has a new feature that is not yet available on other similar sites, but it is already on GitHub, so I think in a few weeks every same services will have this feature. Many people are now creating meme coins on Pump Fund, but now it works so bad. Look how many tokens there are. Very bad option. Tokens on Pump Fund not profitable for creators now. We will not use Pump Fund. We will create a token directly and it will immediately appear on the deck screener. When launching a token on this site, the token will automatically be added to the deck screener. Well, first I go to the deck screener, choose any random token that is popular now. I choose a good token, which I will copy, which is popular now. This is necessary to have more buyers. Okay, I found a token, just a random popular token. If the token launched on the same day, it's very good. Now I click create token. Okay, I copied the picture, name and symbol. Now I will launch 1 billion tokens, but the quantity does not matter. Now I specify any description. It can be funny or detailed. And now the most important thing, a new function. We will replace the information about the token creator. More precisely, we will specify someone else's wallet. Yes, this is a new function. We can replace the information about the token creator. This information will be replaced in the smart contract metadata, but you will be the real owner of the net. Alright, let me show you why this matters. Look at how many tokens get launched every few minutes. You can see this info on this service. Actually, there are lots of platforms like this and hundreds of thousands of traders watch them closely. A ton of buyers, traders, and sniper bots are monitoring this all the time. Check this out. Info about the token creator. We need to find a creator who holds a lot of Solana in their wallet. We'll launch a token with low liquidity, for example, just 1 Solana, and this will be visible on all the platforms. Traders will notice it. At the same time, the creator's wallet holding a lot of Solana will be shown, and traders will see that the creator's wallet has a big Solana balance. When traders see tokens launched this way, they think the creator deliberately added low liquidity so that select people or influencers can buy the token at a low price. Then the creator adds all that Solana from their wallet to liquidity and the token moonshots. And honestly, they're often right. Some creators really do this, which is why traders and sniper bots hunt for such tokens. Today, we'll make it look like our token is exactly like that. Look, this is a good example. The creator launched a token with low liquidity, but his wallet had a lot of Solana. Any buyer could buy this meme token at a very low price for 20 minutes, and then this token flew to the moon. Today, I will create a token that will seem the same to buyers. Well, I found a wallet that has a lot of Solana. I copied a wallet address and pasted here. Well, I choose all this because it increases the credibility of the token. Now I'll just copy all the social networks from the meme coin I copied and paste them here. Okay, in order for the token to appear everywhere, including dexscreener, you need to create a liquidity pool. This can be done, for example, on PumpSwap. This is a new Pump Fund function, or on Radium, or directly on the site, turning on this option. Specify how much Solana and your token you want to add to the liquidity. Don't worry, liquidity can always be withdrawn back. This is exactly what we will do. Withdraw liquidity back after traders buy our token. Okay, I will add liquidity on this site. I have already launched many tokens here. I open a liquidity pool page and look, all my tokens are profitable. Okay, now let's get back to creating a token. I will add 3 Solana to the liquidity pool, but you can add less, for example, 1 Solana, but I have already launched many tokens using this method, and the biggest profit is when the liquidity is about 3 Solana. But with 1 Solana, it is also good. Okay, now I indicate how many tokens I will add to the liquidity pool. I recommend adding 90% of the total supply. For example, if 1 billion tokens are launched, then we add 900 million. Okay, now I choose a 2% fee and that's it. Now I takes my wallet address here, tokens will be sent to this address and this address will be the real owner. Now I click launch token and I see a payment window. I need to send Solana to this address. Okay, I made a transaction. Now I click check transaction. And boom, I see my main coin address. Now I click on the address and SolScan opens. I copy the address of my token. Now we copy the token address. We go to dexscreener and select any token. Now we need to replace the token address with ours. Okay, great. We see our token on dexscreener. We already see instant purchases by sniper bots, but this is too little for us. This is not enough. We need to wait a few minutes for real people to start buying. Note that the dexscreener displays liquidity twice as much as the real. This is because it also takes into account our token, which now has a price. Right now, I'm just watching my token getting bought and traded live. Yep, this is what crypto trading looks like nowadays. Memecoins on Solana are back in the spotlight, which means fresh golden methods for launching memecoins are emerging. You know how it goes during a bull run. There are always ways to make quick, big gains in crypto. These methods work, but usually only for a short window. Timing is everything. So if you discover a working launch strategy, don't hesitate. Move fast. All right, I'm speeding up the footage now, and we'll check the results in 15 minutes. Look, the sniper bots have joined in. They're buying in multiple transactions, sometimes even $100 each. If I remove liquidity now, I will get about 10 Solana. This is very good. Nice profit. Just look how beautifully this token flies to the moon. Well, now I open my portfolio page on site and I can see my profit in real time. To withdraw the liquidity pool, just click remove liquidity, select 100% and click remove liquidity. All the money will back to the wallet and the token will be rugged. And on this site, you don't need to sign any transactions because the site manages the token for you via a smart contract. But don't worry, you the real owner. Okay, I click remove. And that's it. The liquidity is removed and the token is rugged. Here we can see it on the DEX screener. Many meme coins on Solana bring great profits to buyers when the token creators don't make rug pulls and do marketing for the tokens. So buyers continue to buy all the tokens launched on this principle and do not worry about a few of them will be rugged. To sum up, in this video, we launched a memecoin from scratch that became successful even without marketing or promotion. We used a new token creation method, and memecoins on Solana are becoming popular again, so more methods like this will appear. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Peace.